Meaning of High Commissioner.
High Commissioner.
High Commissioner.
High Commissioner.
High Commissioner. A High Commissioner is a diplomatic representative of one country in another country, typically a member of the Commonwealth of Nations. The role of a High Commissioner is similar to that of an ambassador, but they represent countries that have historical ties to the United Kingdom. High Commissioners perform a range of duties, including promoting economic and cultural relations between the two countries and providing consular assistance to their citizens. Additionally, they may engage in negotiations on behalf of their country and help maintain peaceful relations.